Did you know that the human body is approximately 68 to 70% water? Did you know that the planet Earth is around 71 to 73% water? It's quite remarkable to see that the human being and the planet Earth share the same essence, life-giving essence, in our water content. Therefore, I draw a conclusion saying that we are absolutely physiologically related. The planet has its struggles. Human beings have their struggles. I find that being out in nature helps me ground myself and actually learn a fair bit from nature, watching nature. Nature shuts down every fall, and it comes back every spring. And it's not to say nature isn't taking its own or having its own hardships just like we humans are, but there's a lot to be learned from watching and observing nature with open eyes. I hope you find your groundedness.